Rohan,
Yes, sir.
feeling good?
Yes, sir.
So you are attending Scratch and web development.
Yes, sir.
Not web development. I think Roblox you are also attending.
Yes, sir.
So today also you are attending.
Almost all coding classes, sir,
Almost
except
all coding.
WordPress.
WordPress you are not attending. Okay.
Yes.
So C also you are attending.
Yes, sir.
And Virenya, you?
I am also attending almost all the coding classes except the summer camp classes like Roblox and WordPress.
Okay. So which course do you like the most out of all coding courses?
Web development
Web
courses.
development.
And I'm waiting for the full stack web development course.
Yeah.
And also the last happened NASA web development course. I also like it that very much.
Yeah, we are going to start web development in
The
the
most
in the next month.
I like them most, and also I like the advanced Python course.
Python.
Yeah, advanced Python.
Advanced Python. Okay. So you also attended advanced Python?
Yes, sir.
So you are more interested in web development, app development, or game development?
Game development.
Game
sir.
development. Okay. So you played game also?
Yes, sir.
Good. So what are the games that you like the most and you played?
Like tycoon games and simulations, sir.
Simulation game and
Yes, sir.
tycoon games.
Yes, sir.
So have you shared any of the game that you created with your friends? Like, yeah, I have made this game. I'm feeling so excited with the friends.
Sir, no, sir.
So when you're making such kind of games, you can share it with the friends, no?
Yes.
So it is like you will also feel good. They will also feel good. They will also get inspiration from you to make the games and all. So you told me your sister also attended the coding courses
Yes, sir.
from Practically.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Name is
Srijani.
Srijani. Yeah, Srijani also attended the Scratch programming last year.
Yes.
We had this, and she also attended Yamate App Inventor as well. We developed so many apps, and she shared me the links also of these apps. So Virenya,
Yes, sir.
about coding?
I have made some websites, sir, but not that much. They are only the beginners. Now I'd like to develop one much more website which is closer to a real website. Means they are only dummy websites. You can think like that. I made them for practicing, but now I want to make a real website with most of the design. I like the designing in CSS with CSS in the web development. I like more designing. I want to make a fully nice design website, which I like. I like astronomy. I would like to make
Okay.
with React.
With
React.
React. Okay. So we have React also in full stack web developer.
Yes.
Yeah, so I told my manager to start this React. So we are going to start after Scratch. When the Scratch is over, we will stack this full stack web developer.
I want to learn. I am eagerly waiting to learn React. I want to learn the basics of it. Then I can make my website even more.
So you can also make games using full stack web developer.
Okay.
So like it's a totally web based, Chrome based games you can make if you learn the JavaScript. So JavaScript is a part of full stack web developer that we are going to start.
Is JavaScript a front-end or back-end language?
No, it's not nothing like that. So JavaScript we can use both at the client side, at the server side. So using JavaScript we can set the behavior, how the website is going to react to our actions. If we do the coding with just HTML and CSS, it will just display the information. It will do nothing. It
So
will do
like
nothing.
there will be no background.
Yeah, no background.
Like it will just show the code but nothing.
Nothing. It's just like a Wikipedia website.
Yes.
It is just displaying the information for us. It will not perform any work. If we want our website to work for us, we have to use the JavaScript.
So also React, they call it React.js. It is part of the is the library of JavaScript, or it is named because it is closer to JavaScript.
No, it is one of the very popular library. Now you people have a lot of scope. At this early age only you know so much about coding. We knew all this thing when we completed the graduate, right? So you people know at the school era only. You people know all these languages. That is the very big advantage for you, your generation, right?
Sir, now only it is like this. What about we think about the next generation?
Next generation will be more far
For
better than
infants
us.
only they will learn. Sir.
For infants, no, nothing.
Sir, the government is telling that from almost from 2030 that will be coding classes also. Will this be beneficial or not beneficial for the
No,
students?
in the new education like policy, they have implemented coding as the part of the curriculum.
Yes.
So now each and every school going to implement this coding curriculum in their schools. Not completely, but initially they will start with some small steps. Then we now also we have in the CBSE syllabus and all, but
Yes.
in the upcoming years, each and every school we have this separate coding curriculum. So like coding is the new literacy. Each and every student should learn about it. So it will improve our creative thinking, okay, our problem solving skills. So how do you think about learning coding and all?
I feel great, sir, when I'm doing such things. My mind it adapts to it and thinks of it new ways. It helps me think of other things which I can do in new ways. It helps me in this thing. I can I like loops mainly. They are complex and in C per loop like this.
You know loops very well, na? I know your loops are very strong. If you
Yes.
know loops, you know everything. So you met us in Python Pro, no?
Yes, sir, Python Pro. I met you almost when the course started. Almost 2-3 class they have already completed. I
On
have
YouTube or on Zoom?
firstly I have no YouTube, sir. I have not known you from YouTube. Mainly I have known you from Zoom only.
Zoom only. Okay.
Mainly from Practically app.
No, we had one session on YouTube also. Before starting the Python Pro, we had one session that is freely for YouTube on YouTube for 5 to 6 sessions, I think. So
I
when you
really
joined
don't know
us,
about it, sir.
Rohan,
Sir, almost like
from which course? I know your sister joined us in the last summer workshop. We had
Scratch
Scratch
only,
program.
sir.
So you
Scratch only, sir. This year.
from
Scratch.
last year or this year?
This year, Scratch.
This year, but you attended advanced Python also, no?
So, no, sorry, sir. Web technology. I
Web
started.
technologies. So you joined us from web technologies.
Sir, I started coding with web technology.
HTML, CSS. Yes. Then we had advanced Python. Then we had this Scratch. Scratch and C programming. You are also attending.
Yes, sir.
I have started it half a year ago, sir. Around November or October.
Okay.
Sir, I started it almost like the start of 8th or 7th class, sir.
7th. Now you are in 9th.
Sir.
You are in 8th.
I'm also going to ninth on this.
Okay, 9th after this. Okay. Fine. So in schools, your friends also learn coding in schools?
Yes, sir. Really, I came to know practically when a friend told me. He was searching in websites for new things. He always searches them, and he told me that he's a best friend of mine from the school. He told me that I found this app like coding. You know coding, right? You can join to this. You can learn new things, and he said it. That's why I once came into a look of it. I liked the new programs and teachers. That's why I joined this.
So what is the name of your friend who uses
Tarak Sagar, sir.
Tarak? Okay, okay. I know him. So he also attended advanced Python or Python Bridge from Python Bridge. We already had 4 courses on Python only. Python Pro, Advanced Python, Python Bridge and animation using Python.
Yes, I have joined all of the 4 courses. Sir.
4 courses.
Yes, sir. I just missed 2 or 3 classes at the first of Python. Except them, I almost joined.
So I think you will get the certificates today. So you can show it to your friends,
Yes.
to your relatives from practically that you have completed the coding courses and all. So I think you will also get from web technologies.
Yes.
I also attended the web technologies also, sir.
Hmm.
I liked it the most.
Web technologies
Yes, sir.
and Python.
Python, advanced Python.
Praveen was saying me, Praveen,
Yes,
one
sir,
of your
yes.
batchmate. Praveen was saying me, sir, I'm learning web technologies, I'm learning Python also. Why should I learn both? So I told him both will merge at the end. So
At the end,
all are related to the web technologies only. So we are going here from web technologies. From here we are
front end
going
and back
Python.
end we are learning.
Yes. So that's why I studied for you people like design the front end because it is very easy. So it will, if I directly go to back end, it is very tough. So people will get difficulty to grasp the concept.
Really, sir, I like it Python and HTML. Once I wanted to merge them, I searched everywhere on the net because I searched really for merging the calculator of Python into the HTML. And I thought I could learn Django. Then only I came to practically. I am interested in the full stack of development where we could then.
Yeah, we are planning for Django as well. It is in our pipeline. So once the
Scratch.
full stack for
Stack.
Scratch, full stack, then Django. Because Django we cannot learn before knowing the all the front end of the website. So first we will learn full stack, then we have this
The
Django
PHP
as
is
well.
also front end on it.
And Rohan, so what is easy for you, like learning the block base, that is Scratch, or what is the text base, that is C, Python, and web
So
technology?
like going from scratch is first easy. When we advance like to word base, then the word base will be easier. So
Word base, text base is easier.
yes.
Text base is easier compared to Scratch. for you.
First, I thought the block base is easier, but the word base is like some almost like a teeny bit easier than word bits.
Okay.
I was first of all, I don't like those blocks exactly. I only like scripting. I thought that if I learn blocks, I should again learn the scripting. If I first only learn the scripting, what is wrong? Because only I like typing also, so that's why I like scripting that much, even from the blocks.
So block based is like for the people who don't know anything about coding. The people can start with the block based.
Yes, for
Once
beginners.
for very beginners, once they know the block based coding and what is coding, what coding will do, they can move to the text based C, C++, Python. So block based also like in foreign countries people use a lot to make games and all. Here,
It is also very popular, sir.
yeah, very popular, especially Scratch. Scratch is developed by MIT. Okay, it is one of the top technological
MIT
university in USA.
Inventor app like that.
Ah,
App inventor.
MIT App Inventor. But it is not used for
So
like commercial
Scratch is
purpose.
also MIT only.
No, Scratch is different. Yeah, Scratch is developed by MIT only. MIT
It's
University. Yeah, yeah.
Scratch.mit.edu. It will be
Ah,
there.
MIT University is one of the top technological university of USA.
Okay, so that's why they started block-based coding so that it can be easy for the beginners.
Beginners. So how you're feeling, like life before coding, now life after coding? What what you feel? Huh?
Sir, before coding, I was always playing outdoor or indoor games. After coding, I use it most of the time spending on the laptop. Means I was not ignoring other activities, but I was most of the time interested in coding, and I started making programs which will be helpful. And I was practicing some web development websites, and it was interesting. I also learned that it is used for cognitive development of the brain.
Good. So tell us about your tools, computer system, because in coding that is very important. So what kind of system you are using? It is hanging or you are getting a problem. That is very important. Okay.
Yes, sir.
At that time I was learning also, I was getting the same problem. So I purchased a new laptop. I struggle a lot to purchase a new laptop. So then I got a finally bit comfortable laptop.
I am planning to buy a new laptop, sir. My dad is also telling I will buy you in some time. You're doing coding nice only. I will buy in some time. He is also telling me that. And also at the first, I like a shortcuts to learn shortcuts like in Windows key and D, all will close, minimize,
Okay.
like that things. I use it to learn shortcuts in Windows.
That will save time,
Yes, sir.
and that will look like in front of your friends you are very smart kind of thing. You know all the
Mostly my
shortcuts and
teacher
all.
also encouraging me to do like things.
Mm.
Means he also wrote in the progress card also. He was interested in computer. He always he was always I always appreciate him for doing such things.
Hmm.
Like that also he
The
wrote.
progress card.
Yes, sir.
Good.
When I was in third or fourth. Sir.
Fourth.
After that, I came to know about coding in almost 6 or 7. I started it.
And I came to know coding in graduation. You people have great scope, man. Huh? So, how many of anyone who use the our Seek Help session? Seek Help. We have one Seek Help session where we solve our doubts.
Yes.
So my sister used.
Sister use, no?
No, sir, not now. I didn't get that much errors, so I didn't use it. But in the future, I will.
So, like if you're facing any technical, most of the students, I told to most of the students, whenever you're facing difficulty about installation, because that is the one step. Okay, if suppose if you are installing PyCharm, that is a
Very complex.
complex software. We have to set the path, background path, and all.
And I think the most one is Android development software.
Hmm.
I tried to install it, but so many bugs, so I installed it at once. And it is also taking so much of MP.
So there is one student called Shanmukha. He is one of our students. So initially 1 year back he attended session Scratch and MIT Applement. Then he came for this web development and Python. Then suddenly he disappeared. Why? Because he know all the coding concepts. Now he want to make one app from himself. So he made one app, scanner, QR code scanner, and he uploaded on the Google Play Store.
Yes, sir. I know Praveen, I think so. He also makes some programs and posts it on YouTube. I also saw that QR code scanner and a URL shortener. He made those and kept it in YouTube, and he always pastes them in Messenger.
Praveen made his own YouTube channel.
Yes,
He
sir.
named this
Pirates.
coding pirates with Praveen.
Yes.
He's made one YouTube channel. He's posting the links. He recorded the videos using OBS.
Yes, sir. I also know it. I once I have it in my computer. I thought once before the summer holidays, I think so. Last summer holidays, exactly.
Yes, sir. I also know it due to. So,
OBS. You attended YouTube course?
yes, sir.
Yes, of Jimmy
My
sir.
sister and me both, sir.
Okay.
And also I know it because I do some games, means not playing games exactly. I thought it would be nice if I post them on YouTube. I tried and some were successful, but again I deleted them because my mom was scolding us spending most of the time on games, using YouTube as a extra thing, as an excuse exactly.
Excuse.
That's why I stopped making those.
So, like Praveen booked a lot of SQL session. He got each and every idea how to record, how to make a video. Now he's uploading those videos on the YouTube channel. He is pasting the link in the messenger group, like and comment and all. He is very active nowadays, and he's attending all coding courses.
So before I start, I really want to know your name, complete name, and which grade you are, and what are the classes that you have attended. If you have attended a science math, also let us know. If you have not, then why not? And when? Okay, so
If I wanted to really, I have joined, means I am not attending that much more math and science.
okay,
Before annual exams, I attended
will kill
almost
you.
5.
we are just sitting here, all science math teachers.
I will try to attend next time.
But why so?
Before annual, I almost attended 5 to 10 classes of maths and science.
Okay,
After that, I got annual exams and I stopped listening them because of I had more portion.
okay.
Uh,
Which class you stopped listening?
From
Who are the
the-
teachers you remember?
Only Jilni Ahmed sir.
Jillanis. Only Jillanis. No other teacher. But why so?
Because I don't see other classes that much. One time, one teacher comes for biology and another for science and maths.
yeah.
Like that, I don't remember most of the teachers. But Jilni Ahmed sir
Have you
from the
seen any
first.
one of them?
I have saw them.
Pranati
That
ma'am?
teacher. Yes, sir.
NTSC? Which thing you saw?
At the maths class, I think so. 1 or 2 classes only I have attended maths.
Why? Your name?
So my name is Guru Rohan.
Okay.
I'm studying in 9th class and I almost attended all the classes except WordPress. And
That is the
now
summer workshop.
Oh, summer workshop. Last summer workshop. This summer workshop.
Last summer workshop, all of them.
And science math. Which teacher do you remember? Anyone you remember? All changed.
Sir, I remember science ma'am.
Science ma'am. That Shabnam ma'am.
Sir, you
You
Me,
only,
you
you
remember
only.
me? Finally, thank you, thank God.
and you, sir.
And that, no,
Coding.
and Jilani, and coding sir. So you have named by subject, like this is like math ma'am, science ma'am, science sir, coding.
I
sir.
know Shabnam ma'am, but I didn't remember her face exactly. I know her
Oh,
name.
Her face is not to be remembered, huh?
Sir,
Not
I
like that,
remember
but-
faces, but I don't remember name.
You're like me. Like I'm still like you. I still don't remember anyone's name. I sometimes forget names. I take someone else's name on someone else's name. But I don't tag them like coding sir. But this is a good thing I learned. But which class do you remember mine? Which class? Math or
Your YouTube, sir.
YouTube? What did you learn in YouTube?
Where about OBS and how to use it and how to live record and how to post videos.
Oh.
I think
So,
all
so
of
what we do, we make this video, right? We'll give him to edit, we'll make him to render, and we'll make him to upload.
Yes, he will edit. We
What's
need,
the point of us doing it? So that we save time. Okay. We don't do any of this stuff. You just record, he just edit, and he just renders it.
and he will
right.
send us back.
So the guy behind camera, no, will not give him. Just let him record only today. And what's your sister's name?
Srijani, sir.
Oh, I remember Srijani. She comes in my current session also.
Yes.
10th class, right?
Yes, sir.
She just gave her 10th class. Are you should have brought her, no, with you.
Sir, she
Take free lunch, free breakfast, free talk.
she has exams, sir.
She has exams.
Yes, sir.
Oh, 10th class, right?
Yes.
Which is
Board.
exam?
Board exams.
No, which is exam is today, you know?
Science, sir.
Oh, she has tomorrow science?
Yes.
We'll call her after science exam, only for YouTube. I want to know what did she, but she made a channel, right?
Yes, sir.
I remember she shared with me on my ID also. All of these kids. You also made your channel.
Sir, no, sir.
Why? Then why will we give him the
No, he is attending coding courses. No?
He's
coding
attending
courses.
coding courses?
Yes.
Oh, you're attending coding courses. No, but Samar, he did know YouTube. So he should be like having his own channel now, no? You don't want to earn money or what? Don't like money or what?
He is more interested in game development.
Oh.
Yes, Rohan.
You're more interested in game development. You learned Unity last time? Unity you learned?
Yes, I came this November only. Sir, before that, I don't know about practically real.
Super. Very good. Now you know it, right? Now you should go and tell anyone, every second person. If you don't know practically, you're missing something, isn't it? Is it true or is it wrong?
Yes.
Huh? Does anyone out of anyone in this whole whatever people you know about teach better coding than Jilani?
No.
No. I'm not making you drink pulpy orange and then I'm making you to say this pulpy part. No. I'm not doing that. I'm totally not doing that. What I'm doing is, do you know any teacher that who knows better coding than teaching better coding than Jilani? No.
No, sir.
No.
Means I only know Jeremy Ahmed sir. I don't know anyone else.
You
He
don't
also
know
teaches. No, I came to the first point again.
You just repeated your first thing. You said you know Jilani sir, you don't know anyone else.
Means some teachers I know like math and science,
Right.
but I like Jeremy Ahmed sir most because he tells the concept and never bowls us in the class.
Never posts it in the class. It's the very rare thing you have found in any teacher. That's the correct thing you have seen. There are very rare teachers who know things. So I've seen teachers who know this much, and they talk that they know this much. Jilani knows this much, and he still says that he doesn't know. So there's no hand actually. But this is good thing, no? Then you learn even faster, right? Is like so does he tells you everything in the right format? Does he help you in your coding for problems, or does he like, okay, I came here to tell you that 10 programs, I will go teach 10 programs, I will go. Who you are, I don't know. How is he?
When he teaches all things and when we have a doubt, he stops and asks us what's the doubt and he fixes the doubts.
Correct.
At the first when I joined his classes, he often did give us that many means projects. But nowadays he is giving some projects. I like that projects giving mainly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How is this project? Is it like very childish? Like you are not child, by the way. I am child in front of you now. Because you know more coding than me I have ever known in my whole life so far. So does he give you easy thing to do
So
project
it's
or
like medium, sir. Not so easy, but not so hard, sir.
not so hard? So he's a bad teacher, right? Why is he making your life easy?
Sir, no, sir, not like very hard, not
Uh-huh.
like very easy, sir. Medium.
Okay.
Medium.
So not like very hard, but it's kind of okay. It's like kind of okay, but yeah, it is good for how it is. It is good for me, like.
Good,
Yeah,
sir.
good for because you are still in ninth, right? You just went for in class 9. Yeah, you're
Yes,
going
sir.
in class.
Yes.
Classes have started or not?
For me, started.
Not now.
Not now. But when you like summer workshop right now is also going on. Are you anyone of you learning Roblox?
Yeah, he's learning Roblox.
Roblox. Have you started making some kind of animation like I can go and see? You know, in Roblox you can make your own game, put it on Roblox, and I can go download it and I can play. So which that tell me the date when I will go and I will download game developed by Rohan Reddy and I'm like downloading and playing it. By the way, I play a lot of games. That's why I'm asking you.
This day, this month, next year.
This day, this month, next year. Super. What is today? You have the mind of a coder. For sure, you have the mind of a coder. This day, this month, but I'm talking about next year. So when is yours? So he is saying 9th May 2023, right? It is on record. I will not edit it. Okay. So when is your? When I can download your game and play?
After this session, almost like 2-3 months.
2-3 months.
So did you make that?
He's a pre-coder. He will not give you the deadline because he knows bugs will come and nothing will happen. He's like pro coder. I know I'll give you that.
I will. I still don't know the basics of Roblox. I just know
Why
it.
so he's not teaching you.
No, sir. No, sir. I haven't. Means I
He's
haven't.
not attending.
Not attending the Roblox classes. I will see the recordings of the Roblox classes and I will try to join them. After these basics, I will learn from other friends or YouTube or sir. If sir will continue, I will again listen to those. And till next year, I will be something like medium or advanced. Then I will make a nice game like that.
Oh, super. Other than Roblox, you're learning website development, WordPress?
No.
WordPress? No. Or photography? No.
He is
Graphic designing?
attending robotics. He developed 2-3 projects.
Arduino
also.
using robotics.
So that's the
You don't
problem.
have what?
LED.
Oh, so you didn't order?
So I have ordered today, sir.
Oh, so it will come a little 1 or 2 days. It's in Hyderabad only, right? So it will come. Don't worry about it. But then you do robotics and. But do you have any suggestion for us to make these coding classes even more interesting? I should replace Jilani. Should I replace Jilani
Sir,
and go ahead
one-
and make someone else come?
One thing, sir.
Yeah.
You should never replace Jalani Ahmed, sir. He is also agreeing with that. He is also.
I should never replace Jilani.
No, sir.
I'm about to replace him. I'm thinking of making him something else. I'm thinking of getting someone else.
Okay, sir. If you
Sir,
replace,
can,
if you replace,
with Jilani, sir, you can add someone for both like combined coding.
Combined coding. What do you mean combined
Two
coding? Should I make a
two
class like
members
Avengers
coding,
Endgame?
sir.
Huh?
2 members teaching coding.
Two
Or else-
teachers teaching coding?
yes, sir. Or else, if you replace him, he will be on another coding session, now, sir. We will listen to that coding session only, not coding plus plus. That will be best.
But why do you think that it can happen that do you think any other teacher can match Jilani what Jilani does?
No, sir.
Are you
In
sure
coding,
about it?
in coding, no one.
No one can match.
In coding.
But no. When you say that I should bring another teacher and I should make him teach coding with Jilani, do you want someone like Jilani's age, younger than Jilani's age, older than Jilani's age? Or
He
do you
should
want
be.
some man to teach
He
Jilani?
should be like Jirani Ahmed sir clone.
Clone. What
Like
do you
that.
mean Control C, Control V, huh? Or what do you want me to do? A coding program for Jilani to produce the same Jilani AI thing, huh?
We can make clone in Scratch, na?
We can
We
make
will
clone
use that.
Yes.
We can make clone in metaverse, and we'll do a cloning arrangement, make a 3D model of Jilani. You people do the AI ML of it, and we'll put the the chip inside, and he will talk as like Jilani. Do you think it will be he or she will be better than Jilani?
He is the clone of Jirani Ahmed sir. Means they both will be same. They both will think the different ways. Means Jirani Ahmed sir will think of this way. He will think of that way. The coding will be even more interesting.
Okay, so let's have a pause. One more student. No, it's okay. Let's keep on recording. Sit. थोड़ा शोर है इसको नॉइस कहते हैं so this is little noise how can you remove noise in coding can you remove noise in coding how will you remove noise how will you remove noise
In I think so in HTML, muted option will be there in every tag. I should keep the space and muted.
Roblox also there is a noise removal option I literally am jealous of you I'll drink one sip of it so that I am not too jealous
Simply we can use OBS, na? What we can use, Rohan? OBS. You know.
OBS also mute the mic or mute the sound. So completely.
so what's your name I didn't get Rukmani which class did you attend Jilani sir do you know him have you seen him before real life working model not the clone model of no he is the right now the working live model right full like no 3D no audio no
Sir.
video
This sir is making you role model for everyone. I think so.
no I think I can produce a metaverse avatar of him no? Should I like metaverse
Really.
little nothing okay we'll when we start our
When we launch it,
we'll talk
you will know.
about it.
We are launching
We will launch our
Metaverse.
metaverse. But so I forgot your name. See, I have this habit, right?
Rukmani.
So we were discussing that we don't remember names. Either he, what's your name by the way?
Rohan.
Yeah, so
Bro,
he remembers your name now. So Rukmani, you were in the same class. Like which courses did you attend? Python, web design. Python we did 4 or 5 courses, right?
4 courses.
4 courses. थोड़ा और ही कर लेते हैं.
नहीं.
4 पे क्यों रुक रहे थे?
अभी कर रहे हैं ना वेब टेक्नोलॉजीज के बाद कर रहे हैं फुल
The
स्टैक के
problem
बाद.
with Jilani, no, he will not stop at one course. He will do one course and then next day he will come and say, like, there are so many kids joining suddenly. Like now I was doing this course and now there are very new kids who have joined. Let's get another batch of. This guy will not take single course and take it. Like in general, what happens? You go in anywhere, no. They will start a course, they will put code students inside. He will not like it. After third or fourth session, he will
basics
come
and
to me.
advanced sir was telling me
No,
about
basic
it.
advanced, no. Let's say I started a course. let's say I started a course, okay. And then I was doing this course and suddenly after few days some students joined. What we do, generally we put in the same class, right? But Jilani will come and ask me like, why are you doing in the same class? Let me create a new class. So he will create a new batch, then he will teach. So I don't know whether you have seen Rukmani in your own class. Have you seen Rukmani?
No, sir.
No, you are second batch. So you are a different batch. This is what I was saying. You people will be there in the same Python, maybe. You attended Python, right?
Yes.
But you never remember Rukmani, right?
Never saw.
Never saw. You people never can see. You people close your webcam. I don't know why you don't want to open
Names,
your webcam.
names.
Eating Maggie or what?
No. My system will lag. The first thing is that, and I have never seen her in the class also respond.
Which, who is not responding? You not responding.
Not responding means I have.
in a participants bar, we can't see that
Correct.
person's name.
Oh, you can't see. But
Means we will not
Yes,
check.
no.
Means we will not check again and again the participants list.
Oh, but how they cannot see when they are when they open their webcam, no, right?
So all focused is on screen only, no? So only that small window
you
will be
can
there.
see
on the
if
phone.
everyone opens in the interface, if everyone opens their webcam, I can see everyone's photos if they are talking. You people never open,
No,
and
that
then you say I have not seen
the
anyone.
thing is they hide all their video cameras.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah.
And only 2-3 students are there who turn on their cameras, and
Okay.
all the
Praveen
students are
and,
turn off.
Because I'm to just having just chill breakfast or lunch or dinner or something, right? Or doing coding in a separate.
But I never
window.
force them to turn on the camera because they will feel again distraction kind of thing. I want all focus should be on the screen.
See, in general, no, I agree that if people open or not open. But when you are asking a question, no, if you open your webcam and then you ask no, then it creates the impact in the teacher's mind that oh, this kid has asked me this question. See, I don't remember name. We agree, right? We agree. Do a handshake. Yes, we agree. So, so now you see, Jilani says the problem is if he is replying to a student, he is replying to a name. And you people do what you people put your parents in. Tick, tick, tick. My parent name is my user ID. Why so? That will create another problem, right?
I will put my name only, but his sister's name he keeps.
No,
Yeah,
no.
Srijani is
I
joining every day.
actually wanted to rename, but the
Zoom is
in
good.
today's class there was no option to rename.
Teach one thing also, no, how to rename your name.
No.
in your
No,
application.
there is a there.
This is also let me a one two session.
No.
There is a there option is there.
Say you can
So
put
he changed it.
For sometimes in some classes there would be no option like rename.
Okay, but Rupali, how did you find his teaching style? Is it good or does he talk?
Both.
Do you know me? Yes. Why I asked this question online? So, no, but do you know him?
Which
He
school?
opens his webcam. He opens his webcam.
Always.
Yeah, it is always open.
Always.
I'm the teacher. I always open.
No, I have seen no. Sometimes you just close it, have a cup of coffee. And
No,
then
no,
you
no.
open it.
No
Sir
coffee,
will only
man.
open and drink some
Water. That's it. Water
How
only.
do you know it's water only?
I can't tell exactly.
It's a white glass.
It can also be beer. Sir is still.
Drinking in a cup of water.
And from which course did you join us? From which course? Python and web
Web
design.
develop.
Then you attended advanced Python also. Yes. And then now also you are attending Scratch and C program. Yes. So she is also attending all courses. She met us in Python.
Means second batch means another timing. Second batch means another timing.
For which course?
Means every course you are making a second batch. Sir is telling us.
Yes, yes. No.
It will be a different month. So what we do, we start, let's say right now we start one batch. So after 2-3 months, we'll start another. Right? This is how we do, right? Sometimes we can do it faster. Let's say you are coming. Let's say suddenly the 100 students have come. We'll not put 100 into the original one. Now we'll create a new batch for 100. Bring us 100. No, go tell someone about Jilani. What are you doing, man? Huh?
I have already told my
Let him be
friends.
famous. No, you don't want Jilani sir to be famous. No, he's not good to be famous.
No.
Is he good? Is he good? Is he teaching good?
Yes, sir.
You have any complaint right now? Complain.
No, sir.
No back mails that hey, I don't like Jilani sir, replace him, remove him. No, nothing. He teaches good. Did you code anything? Like, did you make something? Any app, any small game, any small part?
In
So whatever he teaches, you understand.
in class only we did lot of project. But those are available in the computer when you make it. So you just watch the sessions.
No.
Okay. So while watching the session, you not practicing it. Computer is not working.
Your
Okay.
mother is here. We'll talk to your mother later. Why is it not working? So she's complaining about her mother right in front of camera. I don't know what will happen to her today. Don't you get lunch also? Don't worry. but in general, when Jilani sir teaches you, do you find it that he is teaching too high concepts, or do you find it is very small, very easy to understand? Very easy to understand. You find it very comfortable to understand. Right? So, So you never find that Jilani sir pace of teaching, the content he's teaching is faster enough for you to understand. Because what happens? No, it's money, right? What happens? There are kids who are very, which class you are? Degree first year. So she is which degree? She is BCom first year. So she must have taken your course last year, right? She must have been 12. 12. So she's a 12th student. That's a class student.
Class 9, class 7.
Thank you for correcting.
Both
You
are
a
9.
good,
Both are
I
9.
find the deep and bug, huh? So, but then you find that Jilani is teaching a different set of kids. But you are also finding it good enough, and they are also finding it good enough, right? So see, this is what something is good, no? Because then you are not able to feel that you are young and you are not able to understand, and you are too old to make it feel like it's very. Do you think it's very childish when he teaches? No, right?
I'm very serious while teaching. Sometimes very serious, na?
Sir will tells.
Is he way too serious when he teaches it? He is way too serious. Why do you like him? I am a good teacher. No, I teach, I smile, I laugh. I also drink.
So
Palpi
not
orange.
like that. So he just concentrates on teaching, not like on other things.
Oh,
If sir teaches in a way, if someone asks sir, he will stop and come back and again explain to them and again goes.
that's good. So that's very nice. Do you have anything else? Or we can just conclude it. Let them have something, right?
Yeah, we'll have lunch.
Or snacks, or lunch.
We have some.
Okay, so fine. We'll go down. We'll see you in the studio, the class where it is, and then I'll give you your certificate. Anything if you want to say, you have enough time. Find out. Okay. Fine.
Sir, and the last thing, last thing, I think from the first, it is not rude, sir. You're forcing us to tell something bad about Jilni Ahmed.
You are a very smart guy.
From the first,
Yeah, because if everyone is coming here and is praising Jilani, what will I feel? That he is making you feel, oh, you are a very good bacha, you are a very good student, I am a good teacher, talk good. No, I have to talk something. No, so I can understand why is he so good. I am jealous of him. No, he only knows me. He is the only person who knows me. No one knows, and he is the only one who is saying that, okay, no, I have done other courses also. You have not done any other course.
I have done other courses also.
No.
You have taken science, math, something. Nothing. This was the coding classes that you are doing. You have some brother or sister who is taking our classes other than you. No, you don't have a brother or sister. So ask them to take the classes. Oh, he is older. Everyone, younger cousins. Then you next time we'll get something for him to teach. So that Jilani can make him learn, right? So fine. Anything else? You ask, have something, then you ask. Good.
You can complain. If you have any complaint against me, you can complain.
I have already complained about that, sir. Nothing complained.
You haven't complained. You haven't complained. You haven't started complaining.
Sir, you have only told about you, sir. What can we complain about else?
Right. Fine. Okay, Rohan. हो गया आज के लिए.
Bring learning alive, practically.